Definition of raw material costs in cost accounting. Raw material costs refer to all expenses incurred by a company to acquire raw materials used in the production process. In cost accounting, these costs are a critical component of total production costs, which directly impact the cost of goods sold, COGS, and ultimately the company's profitability. Raw materials are typically classified into two categories. 1. Direct materials. These are materials that become an integral part of the finished product and can be directly traced to it, such as wood for furniture or fabric for clothing. 2. Indirect materials. These are materials used in the production process but not directly traceable to a specific product, such as glue, nails, or machine lubricants. Indirect materials are usually included in factory overhead costs. Characteristics of raw material costs. Directly identifiable, if they are direct materials. Variable in nature, meaning the total cost changes with the level of production. Affect product cost and play a significant role in pricing and profit analysis. Require effective control to ensure efficient production and minimize waste. Recording raw material costs in cost accounting. Cost accounting allows companies to record and track raw material costs using different systems, primarily 1. Perpetual inventory system. Each purchase and use of raw materials is recorded immediately. The inventory account is continuously updated. 2. Periodic inventory system. Raw material usage is calculated at the end of the accounting period using the formula raw material used equals beginning inventory plus purchases, ending inventory. Example of journal entries for raw material costs. Let's say a company, PT Majujaya, purchases raw materials worth IDR 100 million in cash. C#. Copy edit. Debit, raw materials inventory IDR 100 million. Credit, cash, bank IDR 100 million. When the raw materials are issued to production. C#. Copy edit. Debit, direct material costs IDR 80 million. Credit, raw materials inventory IDR 80 million. Controlling raw material costs. To ensure raw material costs are well managed, companies often apply raw material budgeting to plan and control expenses. Standard usage policies to prevent wastage. Internal control systems to avoid theft, loss, or mismanagement.